Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Nordic Turns. Alan is from Halmstad, Sweden. How are you all? From Bangladesh and outside of Bangladesh, everyone is welcome to Nordic Turns. I will discuss about the documentation process, how to send all the documents or how to upload the documents in the universityadmissions.se for student master's program application autumn 2019. The video will be very short because I don't have much time to deliver all the news, but the time is very close to submitting all the documents or upload all the documents, and the last date of all the documents sending and uploading is 1st of February. After that, if you submit all the documents, it will be late application. Today I'm going to talk about how to see the process or steps, or how to follow the steps about the documentation. Step 1, I will just read the universityadmissions.se, the requirements for the Sweden master's program application. Instructions for master's applicants. The step 1 is finding out what I need to submit. So the first step is to find out what I need to submit, like what the documents I need to submit. So you will go to your universityadmissions.se account, and there you will find documents, the documents tab. And these document tabs, there are some kind of criteria and requirements, like English requirement, and then you will find your identification requirements, then you will find your others document, then you will find your certificates and diplomas. I will say that you have to find which documents you need to say, and you need to find that how to send this document. Do you need to send this document or do you need to upload it? Just upload it. So you need to find out. I will suggest that the first information you have to collect which documents you need to send. Okay, in universityadmissions.se, in the documents section, you will find all the required information for the documents you need to send for the master's program admission or to qualify on your master's program by the university and universityadmissions.se. So I will suggest you just go through all documents tab and all the information in the documents area and find your country specific requirement. Okay, step 2. Checking for special instructions for my country of study. If you studied or your diploma certificate is from a specific country like Bangladesh or some other countries, there is a list of country specific requirement in universityadmissions.se. Just go there, click on your country like Bangladesh, India, Philippines, Nepal, some other countries. You will find the country specific requirement, and then if the country that you are searching for it's not in the list, then there is no country specific requirement. But if your country is there, you have to click and you have to read very carefully that if there is anything special documents they need to your admission or make you qualified for your university admission for the master's program. So in the country specific requirement, you will see every details there. So you have to go through it very carefully, and then you can understand that what special documents you need. Okay, step 3. So making sure my documents are officially issued. What does it mean? My documents are officially issued or not? There are certain rules for that. Like for Bangladesh, it requires that you have to upload the certificates of your diplomas from your university. If you have this, you can upload the documents in the document section in universityadmissions.se in your account. But if you need to upload your academic transcript where all the grades and everything is marked and the credit also, then you need to send from the university. So you have to contact with your university, and then university will send through you to the universityadmissions.se. So you have to apply for the academic transcript, and this academic transcript should be sent by the university. So it will be in the university envelope, and they will seal it, they will sign it, and then they will send it. Of course, university will pay for you. So I will recommend that just take these with the calm and proper things. Don't put any cover letter or any cover page inside the envelope. I received some of the questions that what I should write and send this paper to the universityadmissions.se. I would recommend that write university address and the register of the university, from register blah blah blah, university name, university address, and then you will find it in the DHL or UPS account, the universityadmissions.se, and you will find address in the university.admissions.se website. So you will get all the information there and just send it. Don't think about that how they will recognize you that this is your academic transcript. That is their headache, but just send it. So I will recommend that it should not be any corruption or any kind of like diplomacy or any kind of cheating. You should not do that, otherwise your application will be rejected and you never have the chance to get admission again. It's very important, just follow this. You have to maintain the certificates that are the certificates you are uploading. It should be main copy scan PDF form. You have to upload all the main copy scan PDF form, not the photocopy or notary scan PDF form. You have to scan it from the main copy, otherwise it will not be accepted. Okay, so in step 4 I will here is suggesting that submitting my English documents. Now from this year Linköping University already announced that they will not take medium of instruction English from any students from Bangladesh. So if you are applying in Linköping University, so you have to upload your IELTS, TOEFL or some other English criteria that they want. Otherwise from other universities, they didn't mention it anything, but they say that they will also find the path according to the Linköping University, maybe from the next year, but this year they didn't say anything. So I will recommend you that your English documentation, if you have IELTS, just upload the IELTS certificates, the main PDF form, and then you have to upload, if your medium of instruction English, there is a specific format from the university that will describe that your medium of instruction of your education was English, and then this certificate you have to upload as a English documentation that you are good at English. And then step 5, submitting my documents. After you have found out how the documents you should be submitted, check here for the specific instructions on uploading and using the regular post, so everything arrives and as it should be. So I will suggest that sometimes you write wrong address, or you not follow all the rules to upload the documents. So what you need to do, that is, you should rename your documents very carefully, because you cannot open it after that and you cannot see what is inside. So you have to rename in very correct word. I should say that you have to rename the file and then you have to upload it in the correct way, not the wrong way. Then you will be uploaded successfully, and then when you are sending the documents, you will write the address very carefully, you will mention the address very carefully, and when they received your certificates or your documents, then they will notify you in your universityadmissions.se document section that this file has been received, date blah blah blah. So I will say that you have to be very careful that what you are submitting, and after the submitting, if it's successfully submitted. Okay, step 6, this is from my side, that you have to be careful that you are submitting all the things very correctly, because after 1st of February, if they are asking for something special or something else that you didn't submit, you have to submit it again, and then you will be notified as a late applicant. As a late applicant, it will be difficult to admit in the university. So I will recommend you, all the students, all the brilliant students from Bangladesh, that you have to go through very carefully all the things, that you submitted all the papers and documents in the right way, not haphazard way, or I should say that in the smart way. I wish everyone that you are submitting your documents very carefully and you will upload it very carefully also. And I really appreciate that all the students this year, from those who are just completed their bachelor degree, they are also applying for the master's program. This is also very good, because when you're completed the bachelor, you are in the flow with your study. But those who are like a long gap with your study, like 10 years or 9 years or 12 years gap, they have little, it takes time to absorb all the education. But those who already completed bachelor degree, I recommend that you are already in the form of shape. So when you will be here, there will be presentation, there will be group study, there will be thesis, there will be so many things, excited things like research design and everything, that you will find very exciting things there, because you're already in the flow of your bachelor degree. So I would prefer that after completing the bachelor degree, you should come for a higher degree without thinking anything, because if you want to come here, otherwise, yeah, of course you can join in a job experience also, also recommended to have admission here, but not for admission, of course, for the job, to have the SISS scholarship or some kind of other scholarship, they need work experience. I would recommend that both are needed parallelly, like you need the job experience and you need the bachelor degree. So between this time, maybe you are a little bit lazy or something, but you will be in the proper shape when you will be here. So I'm very glad that all the students are taking this channel very seriously, and they are getting help from this. There will be another questionnaire part 9 and part 10 with all of your questions answer. I'm trying to give you the questions answer very quickly, but you know, I will be very busy this time because of we will have some collection for next summer and winter as well, and I have to work hard with all the collections for myself. Our designer, and as a purchaser and as a quality responsible, I need to work a lot for a good, very good collection for our Lego. So I'm excited for that. How about you? I think we will all will be together here when you will be in Sweden, and those who are like qualified already, they're in the tab. You will see who is the qualifier, if university is qualifying you or not. This is nothing actually, but you know that there is something you will find that you're qualified, and then universityadmissions.se will decide in 6th April that if you are finally admitted or not. So I hope all will be good and will be successful after a couple of months, and we will see each other in Sweden again. Okay, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.